Algebra 2, EOC practice test number 26. What value of t to the nearest hundredth makes the equation 4 times 10 raised to the 3t power equals 12 true? Enter your answer in the space provided. Alright, so the first thing we need to do is rewrite this so that we can solve. Alright, so we can get rid of this 4 by dividing on both sides. And 12 divided by 4 is 3. Now we have an equation that is an exponential equation. So this is an exponent, that's my variable, so I know it's exponential. So I can rewrite this as a logarithm. So if I rewrite this as a logarithm, it's going to be log base 10 of 3 equals 3t. And then I'm going to do log base 10 of 3. Divide both sides by 3 to get t by itself. So you can plug this in your calculator. If we go ahead and pull up the calculator and look, because it's base 10, you can use the log button here on this side. Alright, so if you go log, it automatically uses base 10 when you use this button. And then we can do log of 3. And then we can divide by 3. And that gives us 0.1590. And this says enter your space in the answer provided. It says what value of t to the nearest hundredth. So that's 2 decimal places. So 2 decimal places would mean we round up to a 6. So 0.16. So the answer to number 26 is 0.16.